Okay, back with a Crown Royal break. This is for Alex. What's going on, Alex? Looking box 30 you picked. 11, 12, Crown. Jeez, I do not want to give. Crown Royale, extra cheese. Empty. Alright, we have Ryan Getzlaff. We have Gabrielle Landeskog. Oh, that's a nice one. Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, jersey autograph. I think that's on card. No, scratch that. That's a sticker. Number 200. And Manu Rayom, and Alex Pietrangelo. Nicholas Backstrom, Carey Price, jersey of Sidney Crosby. That's numbered, no, that's not numbered. Okay. Base. Yeah, base, jersey, Lord of the Rings. I'm in NHL. There's a ding at the bottom of that. Alexander Ovechkin. And you got a redemption. Rookie royalty signatures, 144. Henrik Lundqvist. 144 is going to be Zach Ronaldo. Base, jersey. Drew Doughty. Not numbered. And Hari Satera. Nicholas Backstrom. Okie doke, Alex, appreciate it, bro. I'll get him on the way for you. See ya.